Hello, my little stars. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. In science, we learn about different things, different food, different animals, and many other things. Science is all about living life, about sky, about food, and about the earth, right? So, all these things we learn in science, right? So, let's start our today's lecture. So, I am your teacher from Mahdi School, right? Mubassira is from Mahdi School. And what I am teaching, which subject I teach you? It is science. So, today we continue lesson number 8, food for health, right? So, our today's topic is revision. Today we revise this lesson and the topic is sources of the food, right? So, in previous lecture we revised this lesson with the importance of food, that why we need food. Our lesson number 8 to 14 already complete, right? So, our portion of exam is already complete. That's why we start revision from lesson number 8 to 14, right? So, today we revise the lesson 8 and the revision is about the sources of the food. So, let's start our today's lecture with one picture, and here you can see the line also. So, what is the line? That the difficult doesn't mean impossible. It simply means that you have to work hard. Difficult means when you are doing any work, at that time you face some difficulties. Here you can see one girl is standing over there, right? And you can see the balloon there. And this girl wants this balloon, but it is on height. So this girl can't take this. So here the line is difficult doesn't mean impossible. So, it simply means that you have to work hard. So, if this girl try again and again and work hard, then this girl get balloon. So, you can understand this line that difficult doesn't mean impossible. It simply means that you have to work hard, right? So with this beautiful line and with this positive line, let's start our today's lecture, right? So this lesson is about the food, right? So in this lesson we learn about different food. We learn about the junk food. We learn about the food which we get from plants. Some food we get from other things also, right? So, this lesson is about only food. But we learn main thing from this lesson is the difference between the healthy food and unhealthy food. So first picture you can see on your screen is the picture of burger. Second picture you can see is the picture of milk. Third picture you can see is the picture of chicken. Fourth picture you can see is the picture of egg. And fifth picture you can see the picture of pizza. Right? So this 5 picture you can see, this all food are same. Yes or no? No. Why? Because some food from this is healthy when some food is unhealthy. Right? So it is the main thing which we learn in this lesson, that some food is good for our health and some food is unhealthy for our body. So our lesson number 8 is about the food. But which food it is? The food for health. So now you can revise this lesson and you can understand the title, the name of this lesson, that food for health. Right? So let's start today's topic. So what we are doing here? We are revising the lesson number 8. And we already revised importance of food. Right? So we quickly revise what we learned in previous lecture. Right? So let's start. In previous lecture, we learned about the food. And what we learned? That why we need food. So when we think about the food, we think that why we need food. So we see this picture in previous lecture, right? Which show us the growth of one person. It means this baby is growing, right? So first thing we learn in this lesson, that why we need food. So we need food for growing. If you are not eating healthy food, then your height not increase, your muscles not growing, and you are not healthy. So why we need food? We need food for growing. So food help us to grow, keep us healthy, and give us energy. Right? So in previous lecture we learned about all these things, that why we need food. Help us to grow, keep us healthy, give us energy. So these 3 things we learned in previous lecture. And 2 new things we learned, that food help us to make new body cells. So as I told you in previous lecture, that new body cells means the cells which increase our immunity power, as well as new blood, produce new blood in our body. Right? The second thing, that food give us energy. But which type of energy? The energy which help us to protect against different type of disease. Right? As I told you in previous lecture, that in this situation of COVID-19, right, you all are at home, right? We all are in lockdown. Because of that, you all are not coming to school. So, this good food, healthy food, give us energy to fight against the COVID-19. I give you the example of turmeric milk, lemon juice, and the vitamin C having in fruits, right? So these all are the things which help us to protect against the COVID-19, which we learned in previous lecture. Then we learn that what happens if we are not eating healthy food, right? So here you can see the picture of one girl, and you can see that this girl is looking tired, right? So it is the thing which we learn in this lesson, that we are not eating food, then we don't get energy and we cannot doing work properly and we feel tired. Then we learn that why do we need energy. So our bodies need energy for the following purpose: growing, moving or playing, and fighting against the disease. So that's why we need food. Then we play a game in which we write the spelling of the food items. So first we write the spelling of eggs, right? Then we write the spelling of milk. MILK. Then we write the spelling of chicken. And we write the spelling of cauliflower. Right? So we write all these things in previous lecture. The name of the food and the spelling of the food. Right? Yummy fruit, grapes. Right? So GRAPES. I quickly revise this. Why? Because we already done this in previous lecture. So what we learn today? We learn today about the sources of the food. So we learn today about sources of food, that from where we get food and how we get food. So today we learn about two sources of the food. One is plants, second is animal. Right? So let's learn and revise what we learn about sources of the food. So when we learn that sources of food, so first thing which come in our mind, that what is sources of food? What is sources? Right? So when we think in our mind, we think that different type of food we see, right? So here you can see the picture of fruits and many things. Like you can see here strawberry, you can see here apple, green apple, and tomato, right? Peach you can see here, one of the fruit, right? So this all fruit are coming from where? From where we get fruits and vegetables. So I hope you remember that from where we get fruits and vegetables, right? So these are fruits and vegetables. We are eating many other things. So here you can see burger, you can see cherry, right? So when you see the burger, you know that in burger we are using bread, we are using vegetables, we also use cheese and meat. So these all things are coming from same way. Yes, the cherry we know that we get from the plants, but when you see this burger in the things which you see in this burger, this we get from which thing, right? So we have to find out that from where we get this food, right? So let's find out the things which we are eating. So here in this picture you can see that fruits like strawberry, grapes, vegetables like carrot, potato, broccoli, right? And you can see here the cheese, yogurt, paneer, nuts, eggs, fish, and cereals and pulses, right? So this all food which you see in this plate is from the same way or same source. Yes or no? If you think that there is an apple, right? So apple grow on the tree, and you can see here the egg slice. So this egg grow on the tree. Did you see anywhere the egg on tree? Yes or no? No. When you see the meat and you see the potato, so we all know that potato we get from the plant, when the meat you get from the plant. Yes or no? No. So these are the sources of the food, that from where we get different kind of food, right? So we get food from different kind of things, right? Because some food you can see here is veg food. Which are they? The vegetables and fruits. When you see the cereals and pulses, you can see here the noodles, and you can see here the bread also. So as we know and as we learn in lesson number 4 about cereals and pulses, we also learn that from wheat flour we get this bread, we get these noodles, right? So these all things we learn in this lesson, that we get different type of food and how we can identify this different food, right? So here you can see the picture of the food, right? So which food you can see here? First picture you can see, in this you see that different fruits there. Which are they? Grapes, tomatoes, corn, lemon, coriander and cabbage. It means these all things are fruits and vegetables. Second picture you can see is the picture of egg, right? It is fried egg. Third picture you can see is the picture of the sandwich. In this sandwich you can see different type of things, cheese also, curd also, sauces also, and fruits and vegetables also, and the bread which we made from the cereal and pulses also. The next you can see here the chicken, it is the one type of meat. And the next is chapatis. So we all learn in lesson number 4 that we made chapatis from the wheat cereal, right? And the next is the spinach and paneer. So spinach we get from the plant, when the paneer it is the milk product, right? So these all food are different, and as well as we get this food from the different sources also, right? So here the other picture of the food, it is the picture of cheese. So we already learn about this, that cheese is one of the milk product which we get from the milk, right? So here you can see the picture of milk, and from where we get milk? We get milk from the animals. So the sources of milk, the source of milk is animal. In the third picture you can see is the picture of oil. So from where we get oil, right? So this is the oil which we get from the plant, right? So these all things, here you can see sources of the food. What is meaning of the sources of the food? From where we get food, right? So from where we get food, here you can see the different type of food. So you can see here fish, meat, you can see here fruits, you can see here nuts, grapes, eggs, all these things, right? So these things we get from different way. So here you can see two type of plate. Now there is different between them, right? Because in one plate you can see the veg food, and in second plate you can see the non-veg food. So what is the non-veg food and what is the veg food? Veg food means the food which we get from the plants, right? So there is a difference between these two dishes, that one is veg dish and one is non-veg dish, right? So you can see here the pulao also, you can see here the meat also, you can see here the chicken also, right? In the second you can see the only veg food, where is the bullock cart you can see here. So this is the complete dish. In this both dish you can see the everything, rice also, chapati also, the vegetable also, curd also, and buttermilk also. So this is the complete food. Now let's find the difference between them. So first here you can see the picture of the tree, and what you see on the tree? You see that the apple on the tree. It is apple tree. So first source of food is tree. In the second picture you can see is the picture of the animals, right? So we already learn about animals. We already learn about the food from animals, right? So from plants we get cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, oil, nuts, and from these cereals and pulses we are making flour, and this flour is used to make different type of breads and chapatis, right? So we get which things from plants? We get food like fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oil, nuts, tea and coffee from plant, and the second picture is picture of animal. In this, we learn in this lesson that we get egg from hen, we get meat from chicken, we get milk from animals, we get different kind of milk products which we made from the milk. This milk we get from the animals, and we are eating different kind of meat, right? So these are the two sources of food, and which are the plants and animals. We get food from different sources. Some food we get from plant, some food we get from animals. So we get food from plants and animals. So what we get from plant? We get from plant cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables. And we get food from animals also, right? So first, food from plant. So which food we get from plant? Fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, tea, coffee, sugar and oil. So this all food we get from plant, which we already learned in lesson number 4. Plant as food, right? So this all are healthy food. We also learn the different food item which we made from the fruits and vegetables. And food which we get from animals. So which food we get from animals? Meat, eggs and milk. So we learn about these 3 things also. We revise this in next lecture, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn about the different type of food. And which food? The sources of the food. And which are the sources of the food? Plants and animals, right? So we learn the fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses we get from the plant, and we get meat. So which animals give us meat? The animals like cow, buffalo and goat, chicken, all are giving us meat. When the eggs we get from hen and duck, and milk we get from the animals like cow, buffalo, goat, sheep and many other animals. But we cannot eat every animal's meat, we cannot drink every animal's milk also, right? So these are the things which we learn today, right? So you can understand the difference between the food. So in next lecture we will revise this with activity, or we also learn about the sources of food animals, right? So we learn about 2 sources of food, which are the plants and animals, right? So these are the sources of food, right? So I hope you all understand what we learned today, and I hope you enjoy this lecture and you carefully revise this topic, right? So take care of yourself and stay healthy.